In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy of an ID card on your Brother MFC printer. This one is the L2820DW. I'll show you how to make a copy of both sides. Take your ID card. This is the official ID card of my YouTube channel. I'm very serious about that. It's printed on both sides. So for the first time, okay, let's say we want to register the front of this ID card. I'm going to place it facing down on the left portion of the scanner. Okay, it does not matter if it's here, but it should be on the left portion, okay, around there. Put it there, close the scan lid. On the screen, this is the main screen of your printer. I'm putting my hand here so you don't get glare. Press on this arrow until you see 2-in-1 copies. ID copy, sorry. Once you're over here, you're going to select a few settings if you want, or you can leave it this way. The important one is on the top, how many copies of that you want. I just want one, so I'll keep it like this and make sure that ID is checked in. Press start and wait. It will scan the first part of your ID, okay, the front, and now it will tell you to turn over the ID card in the same place. Then press continue. So this is what we'll do. I'll open this. I'll turn it on the other side. Around the same place, does not have to be exactly there. Okay. Close. And over here, press continue. Make sure your printer has some paper inserted. And here we go. We got our ID card with the front, and this is the back on the same page. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below.